Welcome to today's Current Affairs class. First question for today. When is Global Tourism Resilience Day observed? Answer is 17th February. Second question. Which film won the Best Film Award at the BAFTA Film Awards 2025? Answer is Conclave. Third question. Which state secured the first rank in the Devolution Index Report 2024? Answer is Karnataka. Fourth question. Dharma Guardian is a joint military exercise between which two countries? Answer is India and Japan. Fifth question. Where will the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 be held? Answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Sixth question. Which state has recently unveiled India's first GCC, that is Global Capability Centers policy? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Seventh question. Padma Shri awardee Shukri Bomagoda, who recently passed away, was associated with which field? Answer is folk music. Eighth question. Which country secured the first rank in the medal tally at the Asian Winter Games 2025? Answer is China. Ninth question. Who won the Sportstar of the Year Male Award at the Sportstar Access Awards 2025? Answer is PR Srijesh. 10th question. Recently, who has been appointed as president of ICAI, that is Institute of Chartered Accounts of India? Answer is C.A. Charanjot Singh Nanda. Now come to the Tripura and Northeast part. Question is, TSECL signs Memorandum of Understanding with whom to strengthen power distribution? Answer is NIT Agartala. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And for regular updates on current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.